ladies, help me out with something, right? And I got no problem with your standards. Help me out, help me understand, because apparently I'm not understanding you guys. So you guys have the standard where you would not date a quote-unquote scrub. Got no problem with that, right? I didn't say that, you did, right? You would not date a man or marry a man that makes $20 an hour. That is absolutely fine.
Continue on Maryland 193.
You have every right. You have every right to your standards, and that's absolutely fine. As a matter of fact, you guys want a guy, right, that makes what? 6 figures, high 6 figures sometimes, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 and above, right? Cool, got no problem with that. Cool. But why is it that when we say that we got our standards, you guys have a problem with it? When I say, okay, you know what, our standard, our new standard is, you know what, we're not going to marry a divorced woman. We are not going to marry a woman that has kids, right? Why is it that you have problems with that, right? You know what? Fine, no problem. Divorced women, you got kids, no problem. You know what? We're just going to judge it just strictly on finances, right? Since women want to be equal to men, cool, equal less equals right. Guess what? If you want a man that's making $200,000 a year, guess what? We want women that's making $200,000 or $300,000 a year as well. See how that works?